Hello guys, today we're making a kimchi paste. So I've already prepared my cabbage and now let's do the kimchi paste. Alright guys, so these are the ingredients on how to make kimchi paste. Alright, so we have 2 cups of water, 2 tablespoons of glutinous rice flour, 3 tablespoons brown sugar, 1 cup, 1 cup garlic, 1 cup garlic before blending it. So I'm going to use the food processor for this one. And then 1 whole onion. Where's my onion? One whole onion, medium size, but these onions are small, so let's make it 2. 2 tablespoons of ginger, 1/2 cup of fish sauce, 1 cup of chili flakes. All right. Okay, so in 2 cups of water, let's dissolve 2 tablespoons of glutinous flour. After dissolving, let's heat it. You need to stir this one continuously. Make it thick. Right, so if you don't like to use brown sugar, you can use stevia extract sweetener. Alright, so we are going to need 3 tablespoons of brown sugar, or you can use stevia. Alright, let's dissolve the sugar. Alright guys, I think this one is thick enough for me, but you can make it thicker if you want. Alright guys, in the food processor, let's put ginger, onion, and let's try to blend it. There you go. Onion and ginger. Now let's add the garlic. Have a cup of garlic. You can add more if you want to. Garlic is good. Then let's try to scrape 1/2 cup of fish sauce. With fish sauce, garlic, onion, and ginger. Right, let's try to mix it. Alright, with the cold glutinous rice mixture, let's add the ingredients. Okay, let's mix it. Add the chili flakes. And let's mix it. Right, let's not put it here. Let's put the kimchi paste to my cabbage. So this is my leftover kimchi paste. So you can put it in an airtight container. You can use this one for your next batch of kimchi. Alright, so for this recipe, this is 1 kilogram of napa cabbage or 1 kilogram of cabbage. So you can make it 2 kilograms for this paste. Right, so 1 kilogram, 2 batches. Alright, so there you go. Kimchi paste. Big container. Look at that. See? Okay. Ha. Alright guys, please like, share, and subscribe.